Hey guys, Trevor here with Ecommerce Paradise. Today I'm going to tell you about the Ivacy VPN. This is a VPN that I use to do niche research for high-ticket dropshipping, as well as put myself in other locations to do competitor research and to log into certain services. I also allow my team to use it. It's awesome because it allows me to stay safe when I'm in a coffee shop, not get hacked or anything like that, as well as do niche research when I'm in other countries like Bali and Indonesia, where I'm at right now, and my villa, enjoying having a nice calm afternoon working from home. So with that said, let's get into the review. I'm going to show you Ivacy VPN. I'm going to show you how it works, how easy it is to use, and tell you why you need to get it today. Alright guys, so first things first, if you click the link in the description below or go to ecommerceparadise.com/Ivacy, you will get access to a limited time offer. 88% off the 5-year deal. And that equals to about $1.16 per month, billed at $69.99 annually. If you go to the normal website, you'll see an offer for 2 years at $54, billed biannually, which is twice a year. So, or I guess every 2 years is what biannually means. But yeah, obviously it makes a lot more sense to go through my special offer, which is awesome. So click the link below or go to ecommerceparadise.com/Ivacy, and that's where you can sign up today. Let's talk a little bit about Ivacy is and like how it works and why I recommend it for a VPN opposed to other ones, okay? So Ivacy is really simple to use. That's why I like it. It's a very affordable VPN, and yet it's also used by lots of other people, and it's a very, very high quality VPN as well. So let me show you what it looks like. So when you get Ivacy, you're going to install it on your computer. If you have a Mac, this is what it's going to look like, okay? And you click it open, and here's the screen, okay? My current location is in Indonesia, so if I wanted to do research for high-ticket dropshipping or e-commerce, whatever, and see in the United States, I couldn't do it normally with this browser. I'd have to use this VPN. But in order to do it, I just choose the drop-down menu of which country I want to be in. I could even choose which city I want to be in, so I could put myself in New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, Miami, or Washington in America. Okay, and if I just choose the country, sometimes it puts me in different places like Dallas, Texas, or Chicago or something like that. So all I have to do is turn it on, okay? And then I go to Google Chrome and open a new Chrome extension, or a new, okay? And I'm in Google. So now I can search for a category. I could do niche research. Let's say I was thinking about getting into a really popular category right now, which is like home gyms, okay? I want to look at what the different stores are that are offering them through Google Shopping ads. This will actually allow me to do it. I want to find niche stores. So I've already found a few of them. I can open them up. And I can check them out. And if they're Shopify stores, like this one is, Vital Home Gym is Shopify, and Gyms Direct USA is also Shopify, then they might be stores I could actually, extract information from and build a business around. And I've been able to do that really simply and easily just by using the Ivacy VPN. Okay. Now let's say I'm already in a niche. Okay. And I wanted to find out if like a competitor is bidding on certain products higher in one location than another. I could put my VPN location in, Los Angeles, and then I could search that same information in Los Angeles, and then I could do that again in New York. So like, let's say I just take this product name, I copy it, I turn my VPN off. Okay, then I choose the city, and I put myself in New York. Okay. So just waiting for it to connect. There it goes. Okay, I'll open a new incognito window again, and I will type in that product name. Now this is going to show me in that particular location who is actually advertising and bidding the highest. Obviously, NordicTrack is, next is Sornex Exercise Equipment. NordicTrack again. This person is still doing it. I don't know who that is. I don't recognize them from last time. These guys might, not exactly sure. think we checked out them. But this way, I can find new niche stores and find out which ones are advertising in particular locations, which is great for how to get dropped doing niche research. Okay, so a couple of examples of new Shopify stores I've already found, and it's all thanks to Ivacy. Ivacy is really easy to use. It works with Mac, and I highly, highly recommend it. Okay. All right, guys, I hope that review was helpful. Definitely subscribe to the channel, sign up for the Ivacy VPN using the link in the description below, or go to ecommerceparadise.com/Ivacy to take advantage of that awesome 5-year deal at 88% off. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.